Do your 1st through 3rd grade learners want to fly alongside Superman, sling webs with Spider-Man, and learn about real-life heroes? Check out this longtime favorite STEM program, the Science of Superpowers. This enrichment program includes 12 days of hands-on exercises in biology, engineering, and technology to uncover the science of superpowers. Each day, learners focus on one comic book character to learn their background, real-life origins, and STEM connections. Students collaborate, communicate, and build community awareness as they complete challenges in physical science, life science, engineering design, and math. The Science of Superpowers includes all of the supplies needed for up to 30 students to complete the activities. Recommended for summer camps, out-of-school time programs, and elementary classrooms, the 12-hour lessons can be combined or spread out to suit any program schedule. Like all enrichment programs, the Science of Superpowers comes with an instructor guide that outlines everything you need to direct the lessons. With daily schedules, material lists, STEM connections, background reading, and scripted lesson plans, this program is a turnkey experience that supports educators of any experience level. This program is aligned to Habits of Mind, 21st Century Skills, Common Core Math Standards, Next Generation Science Standards, and the International Society for Technology in Education Standards. Dive headfirst into the comic universe with the Science of Superpowers.